What is Python?
Python was born in 1991. It is a commonly used high-level programming language. It is a general-purpose programming language what is designed to be used in various application fields. At that time, it hoped that the user is easy to learn and easy to understand. Nowadays, Python is an important role in artificial intelligence, website development, web crawler, data mining, data analysis, and machine learning in these fields. Let's start with Python pre-work now.
Install.
1. First, we have to install the Python compiler. 2. Enter URL www.python.org to download and install in Python official website. 3. Download the latest version of Python. 4. Press Install Now to download.
它的一特被一特大学。
After installation. 1. A start search from idle and open Python shell. Step 2. A window with this program should appear. Let's the interface shell.
那个 integer.
1. All of the consecutive number is treated as integer in Python. 2. End fine after output fine. Enter 0. Output 0. 3. 0 can also be used, but it can be put before other numbers. For example, if you enter 05, it will appear error message. Syntax error. Invalid token.
那个 floating point.
Integers are complex numbers, but floating points have a decimal point. Floating points are very similar to integers, and operators can also be used. You can use the float function to replace other types conventions with floating point. The integer is converted to floating point. The string is converted to floating point number.
那个 address.
There are plenty of other operators you can use in Python expressions too. For example, two asterisk stars are used to represent the expression. Input two double stars 3 means 2 cubic. Press the enter to get a. Person symbol is used to find the remainder. Input 7%, 2 will get 1. Python addition and subtraction calculations are the same as normal math calculation. Multiplication is also. Division is more interesting because it has two practices. A single division is named a floating point division or a decimal division. Dividing an integer by an integer will also produce a floating point result. Two slash symbol is named integer division or slash remove result. You can get the result of the integer. Remove all the remainder. For example, to enter 7 double slash 2 will result in 3. By the way, using any division to divide by 0 will make Python produce the error message.
String.
To create a Python string, you must use single or double cross to frame the string, while layered two cross characters, because you can add single cross to double cross string or add double cross to single cross string. You can also use 3 single cross or 3 double cross. A common use is in multi-line string.